Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Laferrari by Maisto, and this is from their metal series. So I may not be a diehard fan of Ferrari. I personally love Lamborghini, but I personally love this one from Ferrari, this Laferrari. So let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. It does have some scratches here. I don't know how it got there. Again, the windows are not transparent, it's just hard plastic. And lights are just, both the headlights and tail lights are just painted. But it is still has some great detailing, at least decent ones for the price range. So again, Maestro is using the same set of wheels for the entire Ferrari series. I don't know about other car lineups from Maisto, but I do own like 5 Ferraris in this series. So this is the 4th one which we are unboxing now, and this also has the same set of wheels. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So that would help me in putting a lot more great content like this. So consider subscribing, and thank you for watching this video. Have a great day guys. Goodbye.